Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will continue with the chapter trigonometry, and in this session, we will see the trigonometric ratios of the standard angles. Okay, now I'll write the whole list of table here for the standard angles. Okay, now first on this side, I will write the trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. Okay, I will write the trigonometric ratios here and I will write the standard angles here. Standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, now I will write the values of the sine for all these standard angles and cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. Okay, now see here, sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Okay, now sine 90 degree is nothing but 1. So these are the sine values for the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, now to write the values of cos, see we know, okay, sine complementary, that is nothing but what? Sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but what? Cos theta. So sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, cosec of 90 minus theta is sec theta. So these we can call it as complementary ratios. Complementary ratios means what? Where they are used is here for sine. Okay, this is your order 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now for its complementary ratio, it means for cos, you just reverse the what order? Cos 0, this will become 1 here. See, you will write 1 here. Next you will write root 3 by 2. Okay, next you will write 1 by root 2. Next you will write 1 by 2. Next you will write 0. Right, now those are the values of cos, because sine of 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. I can call, the sine and cos are nothing but what? The complementary ratios. Okay, now you just need to remember these values. Then you can easily write the values of cos. Now what about tan? You know sine theta divided by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, right? We know this formula. Right, now just divide here then. 0 by 1, 0. Now 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. What do you get? 1 by root 3. I write 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root. If you divide, root 2 cancel. 1 by 1, 1. If you divide here, 2 and 2 cancel. Root 3 by 1, root 3. 1 by 0, infinity. Right, now we get the values of tan just by dividing sine and cos. Now how to get cot? I told tan and cot are complementary. So just reverse this order. It means here I will write infinity and here I write root 3. Here I write 1. Here I write 1 by root 3 and here I write 0. Right, so those are the values of what? Tan and cot. Now, how to find the value of cosec? We know cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sine theta. So I can write what? Cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta. So take reciprocal of this. See, for this you have 0 here. So if you take 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity, because cosec is reciprocal of sine. So I will write here 1 by 0, infinity I will write. If you take its reciprocal, 1 by 2 reciprocal, 2. Take reciprocal, 1 by root 2 reciprocal, root 2. Take reciprocal, root 3 by 2 reciprocal, 2 by root 3. Now take reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of 1 means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is what? 1 only. Right, now we got the value of cosec. How to write sec? Either you can write sec as what? Reciprocal of cos, or you can just do one thing. You can just reverse this order, because cosec and sec are what? complementary ratios. See, I'll just reverse order. I'll write 1 here. Now I'll write 2 by root 3 here. Okay, I'll write root 2 here. I will write 2 here, and I will write infinity here. Right, now these are the values of what? The 6 trigonometric ratios for the standard angles. Okay, now, okay, I'll just tell you a trick how to remember these, how to remember these 5 values. Okay, so what I will do is, see here, I'll just write, let's consider this as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll consider them as what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, starting from 0 till 4 I am taking. Now what I will do is, I'll write here, see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am writing what? 0 to 4. Okay, to remember these values, what I will do, for all of them, you divide by 4 first. I'll divide by 4. See here, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Okay, first 0 to 4. Then for all of them I am dividing by 4. Then I'll take the square root. Square root for all of them. Okay, now let's see what we get. 0 by 4, 0. Right, root 0, 0. Root 1, 1. Root 4, 2. Right, now 2 ones are, 2 2s are. Root 1, 1. Root 2, I'll keep root 2 as it is. Now root 3 as it is. Root 4, 2. Right, 4 by 4, 1. Root 1, 1. We got these values. Right, now that's how we can remember the values of sine. If you remember the values of sine, you can write all the values. Right, how we have done? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide it by 4. Then take square root for all of them. Right, now these angles are very, very important. These values of 6 trigonometric ratios are very, very important. You should be so fast in answering them. Okay, because they are very, very important. Right, so in the next class, we will solve few problems based on the standard angles.